Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to SONY Xperia XZ2. Start by opening Play Store on both smartphones, tapping on the search bars and typing in Send Anywhere. Then download this app from this developer and open it. Now just I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Following that, you need to select Receive on Sony and Send on an Android. Then tap on all of those type of dots and just send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them. It will take a long time, so I will go with only one file. For example, this song. Choose send and tap on got it. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can input this key here and choose receive or scan QR code. In order to scan it, click on the scanning icon on Sony and then choose allow. And point your camera at the code. Then wait a bit. And as you can see, my song was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!